Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain about the circles part 2 video. So in the first video I have completed only 2 questions, so which are 7 mark questions. Actually from this chapter we will get a total 2 7 mark questions. I have two model questions I have explained, and next in this video I am going to explain 2 more questions. Total 5 questions I am taking. Here is I am taking third question. Okay, this is a third type question. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle that passes through the points 4, 1 and 6, 5. That circle is passing through these 2 points, and whose center, that circle center, lies on the 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals to 0. Okay, let I am taking a circle. Here is one point and here is another point is there, and which center, this center, on this center a line is passing. So which line? Like that. So this is this line equation is 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. Okay, on this line the circle center is there, and this is point 4, 1 and 6, 5. This is the second point. Let I'm taking this is point A and this is point B, and this is the equation of line, that is 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. Like here, this is a figure for this question. So we have to find about the circle area, the circle equation. Okay, let I'm taking circle equation is S equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So this is a equation of the circle. Let I'm taking this is equation number 1, and this circle equation is passing through the 4, 1. So when I take 4, 1, 4, 1, this circle is passing through this point, so that we can get equation is 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals to 0. Now it becomes 16. 16 plus 1 square is a 1. 16 plus 1 is a 17 plus 2g plus 4 8g plus 2f into 1, that is 2f plus c equals 0. Say this is equation number 2. And similarly this circle is passing through 6, 5 also. Then equation will become 6 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 6. In place of x we have to write 6, and in place of y we have to write 5 plus c equals 0. It becomes 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 equals to 61 plus 2 times 6 is a 12g, 2 times 5 is a 10f plus c equals 0. This is equation number 3. And this circle, its center is, we can write its center, we can write center is minus g comma minus f. This is the formula for a center of the any circle. So this center is on the line, so that we have to substitute these points on that line. We'll get 4 of minus g plus 3 of minus f minus 24 equals to 0. 4 times minus g is a minus 4g minus 3f minus 24 equals to 0. This is equation number 4. Now we have to do second equation minus third equation. Second equation minus third equation. If you do here, 17 minus 61. 17 minus 61, what we get? That means 61, 17, 4, and 5 minus 1 is a 4, 44. That means minus 44. The next term, here 8g minus 12g. 8g minus 12g is a minus 4g. And next, here is a 2f minus 10f. 2f minus 10f is a minus 8f. C minus c, that gets cancelled. That equals to 0. This is equation number 5. Here in all their minus, we can cancel the minus symbol. So it become plus. It is also will become plus. It is also will become plus. And here also all minus symbols are there, so that it become all plus. We can take minus common, nothing but here. So here is 4, we can take common here. When you take 4 common, it become 11, and it become 4g. No need here, 4g same terms there, so that we can get cancelled. So when you solve here, solve equation number 4 and 5. Equation 4 is what here? 4g plus 3f plus 24 equals 0. And fifth equation is 4g plus 8f plus 44 equals to 0. When you take opposite sign here, this both will get cancelled. 3f minus 8f is a minus 5f, and 24 minus 44, that become minus 20 equals 0. Minus 5f equals to minus 20. When you send right side, become plus 20. 5 ones are 5 fours we can get, and minus will goes right side. So f equals to minus 4 we got here. By getting f value, you substitute in equation number 4. Equation number 4, if you substitute here, 4g we can get here, plus 3 of minus 4, because 3 into minus 4, f is a minus 4, plus 24 equals 0. 4g, 3 times 4 is a minus 12 plus 24 equals 0. 24 minus 12 is a plus 12 equals 0. 12 sent to right side, minus 12. Finally g equals to minus 3 we got here. After getting g and f value, substitute in equation number 2, you will get c value. Okay, when you substitute in equation number 2, 17 plus 8 into g value we got here minus 3 plus 2 times f is minus 4 plus c equals 0. This becomes 17, and 8 times minus 3 is a minus 24. 2 times 4 is a minus 8 plus c equals 0. Minus 24 minus 8 is a minus 32. 17 minus 32 plus c equals 0, and this become minus 15 plus c equals 0. Finally c equals to 15. By getting all here g, f, c values, you have to substitute in equation 1. You will get the required circle equation. Okay, s equals to x square plus y square plus 2 of g is minus 3 of x plus 2 of f is minus 4 y, and c, finally c is equals to 15 equals to 0. S equals to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equals to 0. This is a required circle equation. When 2 points are given and the circle center which is passing through the line 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equals 0, and second circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equals 0. Two circles equations are there given, and the two circles are touch each other. The two circles are touch each other. For example, it is a first circle, it is a second circle. The two circles are touch each other. And here find the point of contact. So where the two circles are intersect, that point we have to find. And the equation of common tangent, we have to find the tangent of the two circles at their point of contact. That means where the two circles are intersecting, through that we have to draw a tangent. That equation we have to find. So first of all, we have a chances to, how many chances are there when two circles if you take in the plane. So let them take in, this is the first circle and this is the second circle. The two circles are may not intersect. And second case is, this is case 1, and second case is that two circles are intersect externally, and third case is the two circles are intersect at twice, and next two circles are intersect inside, and next one more point is the two circles are both are one circle inside the another circle, and the two circles are not intersect. So what cases we can get here? And if you take like this, when you will get here two common tangents, like you can get here, and this is we call transitive tangents. This is first one and this is second tangent. We can get two transitive tangents and two common tangents. Common tangents is nothing but the two circles intersects the same side of the line. For example, if you take a circle and this is second circle, it I am taking one line. These two circles are one side of this line, so that we call this is a common tangent. And transitive tangent is nothing but it is either side. So one is the left side, one is the right side. For example, it is this circle if you take for this line you can get it is a left side and it is a right side. So that we call transitive tangents. So that it has a two common tangents and two transitive tangents. And here is this we call both are either side is there. One is the left side, one is the right side. So that we call that is a transitive tangent. And this is common tangent and this is common tangent. Two common tangents and one transitive tangent. And here is we can get two common tangents, and there is no transitive tangent here, because if you take here a line which is not a tangent, so that it is not a tangential, so it has no transitive tangents. And here is we have only one common tangent. We cannot draw here transitive tangents, and here we cannot get any tangents for these two circles when one circle inside the another circle. And we call this point when two circles are intersecting, that point is we call point of contact. And here also, if you take here two circle centers and the ratio between the, when you join the two circles centers, this is C1 and this is I am taking C2. When you join them, you will get a line segment, and it is R1 and it is R2. So in what ratio they are dividing, that ratio, that point we call, this point we call point of contact. When they are not intersecting, when they intersecting, like we can get a point of contact. When they are not intersect, we will get like this point of contact. Through this point we will get a tangents, or we cannot get here tangents. Common tangent we cannot, transitive tangents we can get here through that point. Okay, let's see what type of figure we will get here. with this question. Let's see. S equals to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. For this we have to find what is its center and what is its radius. We have to find. Okay, center is, we have a formula, that is minus g comma minus f, but it is this is a value of 2g. 2g equals to minus 6 here, g equals to minus 3, but we have to get minus g, so that minus g equals to plus 3. Similarly, 2f is equals to minus 2, f equals to minus 1, but we have to get minus f, so that minus f equals to plus 1. So these values I am going to write here center C1, first circle center, so that C1 equals to, we can get 3 comma 1, and next radius R1 equals to square root of g square plus f square minus C1, g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula. For this, c is a 1 and g and f are there here, so we have to substitute here. G square is nothing but 3 square is a 9, plus f square is nothing but 1 square. 1 square is a 1, minus c equals to 1 here, plus 1 minus 1 is a 0, root 9 equals to 3. So finally R1 equals, we got here 3. Similarly, S dash also we have to find. S dash is nothing but second circle. Second circle is equals to x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. Here is C2 minus g comma minus f. Okay, here is a g, 2g equals to 2 here, g equals to 1 minus g equals to minus 1. Similarly, 2f equals to minus 8, f equals to minus 4, minus f equals to plus 4. So finally minus g comma minus f equals to minus 1 comma 4. And next radius R2 we have to find. R2, 1 square plus 4 square, nothing but g square plus f square minus c. G square is nothing but 1 plus f square is nothing but 16 minus 13, because c it is 16 plus 1 17, 17 minus 13 is 4, root 4 equals to 4. So finally we have here, next I am going to find the distance between the both centers. That is, I am taking C1 C2 equals to root over distance. So distance formula I am applying here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let I am taking, this is x2 and this is x1, so that here minus 1 comma minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 1 whole square, that equals minus 1 minus 3 is a minus 4, minus 4 whole square is a 16, plus 4 minus 1 is a 3, 3 square is 9. Finally this becomes is a 25, 25 square root is a 5. 5 units we got. Centers, distance between the both centers is 5, and here R1 plus R2. R2 equals to R1 is 3 and R2 is a, sorry, it is a 2. Square root of 4 is a 2. R1 plus R2 is equals to 3 plus 2 is a 5. Finally here C1 C2 equals to R1 plus R2. Both the centers distance and radius sum is equals to same, so that both circles are intersecting externally. Both are intersecting externally. Now we are going to find the point of contact. So point of contact here, C1 C2 a line segment है. On this line segment R1 and R2 is a ratio I am taking. The point divides in R1 into R2 ratio. It is, let I am taking C1 and it is C2, nothing but it is center 1 and this is center 2. So here is a point of contact. This is a R1 and this is R2. This point I am taking point P. So this is divides C1 C2 into R1 is to R2 ratio, that is externally, internally. So that the point of contact I am taking here section formula. Section formula is point P. I am taking x comma y equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the formula for section P of x comma y equals to, here m is nothing but R1 and n is nothing but R2. R1 is a 3 into x2 is a minus 1 here. This is x2, this is x1, y1, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Minus 1 plus 2 of x1 is a 3. 3 plus 2. 3 of y2 is a 4. y1 equals to 1. Three plus 2. P x comma y. 3 of minus 1 is a minus 3 and 2 3 is a 6. 6 5 comma 3 4 is a 12 and 2 1 is a 2. 12 plus 2 is a 14 divided by 5. This is the point of contact. And next we have to find the common tangents at their point of contact. Common tangent formula is just s minus s dash equals to 0. S minus s dash equals to 0. S is nothing but this is, and this is s dash. X square minus x square is 0. Y square minus y square is 0. Minus 6x minus 2x. We are doing subtraction. Minus 6x minus 2x, that is minus 8x minus 2y, and this become opposite sign because here minus there. So it is plus 8y. Minus 2y plus 8y is a plus 6y. Next 1 minus 13. 1 minus 13 equals to minus 12 equals 0. Here I am taking minus 4 is common. So 2x, sorry, minus 2 I am taking common. 4x, and here is minus 3y. Here is plus 6 equals 0. Finally, if we can get 4x minus 3y plus 6 equals 0, this is the common tangent for the both circles.